those that are new on my channel, please subscribe and like and share with your friends. Today I'm heading to my good friend Chris. He just bought a new M6, a beautiful car, a very special color. He had an M6 before, but this one is special than the previous one because it has a special color and it's better spec. So I'm heading to his place right now. My car is extremely dirty. I don't usually keep my car that, but I didn't have time to be honest with you. A lot of stuff to do, a lot of work. So I will wash my car at Chris' house because my jet washer is damaged. I think by now he washed his car already, but he's waiting for me. After that we will have a speed drive like usual because we love to drive fast. So yeah, stay tuned. To Chris, and this is the car. This is the M6. Take a look at the car. Oh my god. This is the BMW Chris M6. Beautiful color. Let me show you. He just washed it. Oh my god. Black wheels. My favorite, of course. Gold calipers. Beautiful. Hi, Chris. We've just stopped to a very nice place to do some cinematic for you, to do some photos, to enjoy this beautiful day. And now I will leave you with some tips. We will do some flybys, some revs, so we will have some action. Stay tuned. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. Please, for the people who are new on the channel, please subscribe and like to my videos. That means a lot for me. You will support me by doing that. So yeah, see you into the next one. Stay tuned.